Yadamunyina mwase mamunyina mwa na so biem aye eda. Chodia pokwa me wode ache ya de shima ma ye chiachia munyina da emamo afishia pa. Anansem do aboboa no December bosom de toso miensa. Afempem ye no ne aduonu nan no nanso biem ya senkonyo. Ya de baba somo na mampanye na da kwa kufu do. Wakwa pa o chip embedded passport I want to ma won kramantamu a abeboa mo meya kwanto mu nsam anuoma akwato te sanso ano meya bambofo ani amanyoku awodo ehia awon kramantamu de atodwa se afia bato no nye kokotio na mom kokromoti ana yede abeto aba no anu da special voting ekoso awo magana emu mantama akoma dunan ana ekoso na yetete sankrofo atwatwa wo mo de a wo koto ye no abato social media no so a owura bi kurampo ya kire no na emu nsensem ene obete kane mampanyi ora John Dramani Mahama Nancy anto aboye wobo ewa Asante Mantemu no another due akopie mu wo menhye fikese mu a Asante Mero tumfo se tutu ye wotoso mienu wakọ ne naso na mu nsensem wo no obete na Ghana Drunkers Association womo so na dekrata abai womo de ato won ma de hye nyina won mu a womo bia papo ane basa hodo nyina sa nyame ye adom amemende di animu a ayo abato da sonko de ma Ghana no mbasre se obebia da wo soto se obebia ba ne ade no hwe sasa ada no de obatotumu na aboa ma obi ankwankwa no nsa amfa meto aba we ne nsema hodo pinu a na yaboaboa no a ana rio senkonya de baba somo seria from tobraka se boy na yafa seda amanyumako adidi sui 3 herbal center the 3 core capsules atayechi 21st clinic no where sciatica expert ayo marin fio samizo and 5G so ka ho bi Sompa chade ya wase yan kan chiro said you don sem eno de mo kakra bia so ade ore baba bia baje na yada wase ye pa cloud internet the fastest internet in the world we no nyumako nka ya bia brepam yade one mo de ba to dwane wo mo nsampa na one ma doma so ya sene me so matena sia meba kan sem yimiriti no aduonum so de ma wo no medin ene akosia aje wa kwade boaten afei ansam no emunchemu ankasa enie mampanye na kufado pao dwumadie be wontoma won kramantam wei aye chip embedded passport ana wapa wontoma won kramantam a saa dwumadie yi mpanyifo kire mu ana se ebababoa pa amomeya kwani abade won sam sene Ghana fo binom won mariata so so obetu kwa akoya adwuma wokwa akosua de ne ade no saa ne ma no nyina no ne kwano waye da na ye ntam ane ahohare so ade amomeyi na saa dwumadie sonko ya fempem ye no ane dunsia 2016 mampanye na do betena akonya so sa mampanye no ena ho dwumadie ne ho hyehyeye asase kora na soafo ya wono na hwema mfra dwumadie so maame sali ayuko betu enra na wapa wontoma no na maame so na nyama akwakota akire bi ya na wo hwese ho dwumadie be kontem na won ma se biribidi akire Ghana man sa afedie enanioma no bibia ya ba fusuo enti ye ko akoya nimpa ancha kora Ghana sane ye hyehyeye no sitie se ye betumi atu kwan awo ahohare so no nyoma nyina baye wano ne kwanso ede aboa wo mayi na mampanye na danko akufo do nya akwanya ne gina simpie so no wakasa pinu ase Ghana de chese we no aya nyoma akese ode agu akwan mu na anche kura ne foforo bie no basan so atoato so amoma Ghana sane ye ne amahodo so enkita hodi asitie no atumi akontem so.
We take a giant step forward. This is not just about catching up with the rest of the world. It is about leading with innovation, putting Ghana on the path as a nation, on the map as a nation committed to excellence and making life easier for every Ghanaian. The chip-embedded passport we launched today represents the pinnacle of this journey. It embodies cutting-edge technology designed to enhance document security, safeguard national identity, and meet the stringent standards of the International Civil Aviation Organization, ICAO. At its core, the new passport is a pledge to protect the identity and dignity of every Ghanaian. With advanced biometric features securely embedded in a microchip, it is virtually impervious to tampering or forgery. This innovation is a crucial step in curbing identity theft and eliminating fraudulent access to Ghana's travel documents. Moreover, the passport aligns seamlessly with global systems, ensuring that Ghanaian travelers are recognized and processed with efficiency and respect at international airports equipped with modern biometric recognition technologies. It is not just a document, it is a symbol of our credibility and global standing.
I was your way, Mampany, now the Dankwa, Akufa, Dono, and watching no software. Washama would draw on some so Mamma Shelly, I could so for Sakwana so, Akasai, Asibribi, at the Chaganamai.
Embedded passport that we are launching today is a major milestone in this journey and boasts of several state-of-the-art features carefully designed to enhance its security and facilitate ease of travel for Ghanaian citizens. This phenomenal travel document has a microprocessor that embeds for the holder's biometric and photo information, as well as other unique security features such as an anti-fraud measure with both latent and patent indicators to ensure impeachable security. By the introduction of the chip-embedded passport, Ghana is poised to be at the forefront of modern technology within Africa, shortening the turnaround time for passport issuance while making travel safer and more secure for all citizens. The ministry has once again streamlined its passport application process to enhance efficiency and effectiveness at the parks and our missions abroad, while improving the overall passport application process for citizens through the design, development, and implementation of an integrated online passport application and delivery system. Enhancement.
I was only attending Kaya Swaffa Yawashama or draw on some so Mamma Shelly Yakobachi and yet a chip embedded passport. Yawapa went to my own Kraman Tembuno, now watch you more a day at Trey. Akabas and if 109 or Magana Yakoto Santana Quacotua Bassanie, and what the special voting now but was from Kokra, a so a woman Ghana in Woodno. Now, Sunny and your Massibia Quaco and a woman Sam and your Quawo, and a one more print to me, dear woman Ghana Mood woman sa. Ashe asumbia pamwa se de na soso atogesa ye ne adehia pinu aka se ye pa nanti ase aye adwuma no maga ne asumdwe wo no ye kwaso a ekuramu aka ho bi amomaya bambofo ada no obedi dwuma no obom pempe ewo meame awodo ebeto oba no ene amanyoku awodo ahia ewo nkramantamu Dr. George Akufudan Parama Ghana Post wampomasi edu wono na gina sempie so kasa ya wosre pa se afia bato no ye de kokromoti na ekwakoto enti woni ase waye kokoti no wabati abobɔ twintwan kyenkyere twan basa aba no besemu a enyade abambofo betena se ama okwan se bra na besa o man yasomdue a ye wono ho afei won besere se abato da ne duru so a won mbase won behu nipa bibre bia se party t-shirt ehye wo ho na wokoye campaign ahodo afei se wo behye asrafo na sa posifo atade wa bra wonye osra ni ana wonye posini no emra ne so mu ani ubedi ye papa wase wo mo sra Ghana man ye wasa sanse se ya posifo de gu akwan mu yi ye betumi aye no wano de ama wo mo anya sade a sane o me ye hwehwe no no ye ntumi enya ne sa
dealt with so as to make sure that any misunderstanding, disagreement are dealt with in a manner that de-escalates. So this that we've given you, we have been expecting you to also reciprocate with yours so that we can work together and deal with all these issues. So that is the component of our de-escalation strategy that we want to work with you and make sure that it works. And when we succeed in implementing it to the fullest, I can assure you, not a single instance of disagreement will escalate to a point of violence. We can do it, and we have to be in this together to get it done. The second issue is to do with the fact that there is only state actors when it comes to security, and no other. The environment where people want to use certain uniforms that makes them feel half police, half fire service, half military, half migration, half prisons, or half of anything that resembles security. We feel that is unacceptable in this critical period of time, and we are clear in our mind how we want to deal with it. And we want you to know, so that when we start dealing with it, we don't take us thinking that we are taking sides or we don't know what we are about. So that is also one thing we want to share with you. And we hope that after the discussion, we will share the generality of our position on it also to the Ghanaian people. But it's just fair that we let you be aware how we are going to deal with some of these things, for you to carry the message down to the last member of your group, for them to be warned that it is a zero tolerance issue when it comes to people wanting to present themselves in a manner that make them look anywhere close to being one of us. We are not going to accept it. The last point is also this culture of machoism, thinking that biceps are the basis for determining one's strength. Fortunately, as you can see, the things you've done going forward in these elections, those people, I think most of them, if not all, they have applied themselves and found something to do. But we are not going to be overcomplacent and thinking that that is the end of the game.
Dr. George Akufu Damparo no IGP or Maimoni Atesa, what to force one more mabobo. Now one more year videos are what was say a fee wabasa or my gani about womuno, and yadia posi for batanasi, na wayen shehai. Anroda ayagana man yin sem that says special voting so I me aya hodo na centers besa ha said you watching me nu and ya chire wo manta makuma ko du nan ya abato no koso no abusuana anya asem keto akora aposifo dom masrafo dom fa servicefo custom officers ane ensamtrofo ya da no won bedi dwumaso e wabato ni mu no safo no na enra direct se won kwakoto aba e wo mantam du nan mu ya epoye mantam ni atoye won bato wo de nyame ya adma ya wada edi animu yi na eno na wokọ wanchi abato mpeso so e wo bono mantam mu a e wa na wo de nyame anim no kwasem ni nipa dodo won mo kwa yeso mo kwakoto aba no na eni kan ye pa nipa na wo se won mo to no na ya ha nwotwe aduanan mienu area chiro na electoral commission panyfo abo amane se emu ahanso aduaso enum 775 ana nyame adom so wochimi bo moden a ebabato abano wochiro se we yenkuransha sam kekekura ya cha se won mu a omkoto aba awanchi special vote ni mu no won matumi atone die namso nte wo mo sera ganafo se abato da ne duo nyame yadom amemende die ni mu abato ne pomponso no yewe no obi biada nhye fie kura obi biada hwe so obetumi abato na ba no wa kire na dwen e wa fi abato mu mame Christiana Opoku wano ana esi electoral commission anemu e wo wanchi abato mpeso so wona nsɛmtwerɛfoɔ edi nkomosei
next 2nd December this special voting election to serve for wanchi constituency amia ya aduma abewie wa asunti amia dum ya anti boni bia ko kama ama bia ye wa no wa se de ye hwehwɛ no boni bia anti say AMB but we 1 center the report me ya kan nyina bu mafan ba ya open AMB le binya ma de ba for now no ni me na ya kan bu mu no na mahya ye be hwɛ ni say 842 voters na ye hwɛ ni mu say o be ba be to aba na ye de kwa wie no nipa 775 and o mo be to o maba 775 Yesha emu mema 461 and a man so 340 until say Yesha not just a turnout no in 92% in this center having 775 out of 842 and that in Patronidas nipa beto abani na nipa mi and I verify your mobile face apart from no
I was your mammy Christine or Poconia tenant can one and see electoral commission nemo when she abatua and persuasu. Now I know that special vote in the year course one abusia. Yen and I any coach receive and Santa mo social media no see who be pa. Sa kwa banania kwa jina da kemua. What on a banner war video a bin so dear one much chat. Ade abato social media no so se wo mboto ama party A ene party B ni de kaka ho sa asem no ene videos no wabeba ye no na Ghana fo bi no mu bi se wo mo se asho ehefo na to abai aposifo dom asrafo dom anansam twrofo binom ena omko ya omko di se adwuma no na ne da ye beto aba no ankasa no Ghana man so ade na won mo nye ena na balo boss no amu na anhwe yi a enkrofo kora abakwa kwotwa ne oma ewomuo na wo mo de aba to social media no aso na ayako ahoma no so sansa eno adanya ntia se ayewo so west Ghana bato mpeso so kora mpo no nipa ba ko bi a wo ye sa na de wo kwa kwotwa abambofo ehso ni mu ya na anya semkuma ewi akire kora mpo no abla kuma Sandra ewona no obi nso kwa akobokro no na aposifo ekwokwakire no wasansem we nyina no aya special voting emu ensensem yankwane ne panyipa ya banbambo mu a wabere mu papa yi wadi achia chapa ya ebone purumu a obi yeye yewra osabute abaz obanyekase mu official po
afi kombesa ya ho
na nioma mboko de
obode adaruma gidi se won so won ye
nyame adom yekurukura mu pa minim se annual special voting no de wani de akire pa hu sane ya nioma ko ne pictures ya ebeba ya vote ama wei ya vote ama wei na enye obi ya kekenso na kwoto aba no won mu a eda ne duru so a won bede dwumaso na kwoto aba no na yanka se wei anwanwa pi sasa nioma yi special voting mu ye hu no ana nsada nyanwanwa bia se wei ya ka ho asem krampo
edi kama mintia we chiefo nyina na ne koye wo mu ne se be de nyame wawa esa se o man Ghana ade ba ko ahwe yen eye law enforcement se mra ye fa ne mra Ghana ni bigi mra so ena wo mu so ya ma mu tumi se so bi ndi mra no so a hwe na mani disu no ye na ye yedwuma yi nti nyame bi se isi a me de enyame wawa ena ndra so anyame wawa in fact o share the category of perform omukoto abanendra you expect say at that level no sabi omo de omo pempen so no be omo edu no de sa nya ma bi omo fa omo for we nkofo a election day EC officials kan wa omo akoye presiding officers ni other attendants or other polling stations security services journalists any other groups are ya identify them say una mo masum bi am be this election day. So it's expected say they will know better. But unfortunately, in America, you know, we are in a society law enforcement non-existence, if I may even say that. And even if we enforce the laws, it's just about 10%. And you know, it is about ensuring say emrana ye ina ya chichirama ya hunu ye be so.
Nacha said, dear, I'm not that you who ye, sir, a course one no. Sakwa se bi kura mpo si wa abato da ni mu ana se wo mo di kan no kura na a kire wo mo meboa.
So the end no say we dey chie no ahwe no di kan na buntu ana nya sa.
No kwasem.
Wo ye no fi won ko a e bi mu so esigina ye se konna koto na kwatwa na bagi sika. Nti ono to pe adansi bi e be kire se ampa me to ma o. Nti enye wa wo share me no pama me. It in order to prevent all this money crisis, any corruption, dream. Also, I saw the kid me obliged me for the food. We are voting booth anymore. OBTP, and I watch our man for say, who could chabra no budget, who could chabra no budget. Here vote buying, anything legal. It aside say, Obi one more aside the any special witcher. Or the better amount for when we say me too much me see and me too more binteno. Obi so ucha e da ye adansi dia ko gini sika. Ya nhwe ni anso no a leaders are be elect o man Ghana no. They be no enquire the will of the people. But rather no all the deep pockets and be winning elections.
na ayero ayero ne say yo yenim say ballot paper no yatema wo serial number ne ade ewo so a eno bibia ye intact na weno womo a omudi se adwuma no yebetimi ahwehwe mu akwa hunu se asomasi ana so benten na ye ne atwena so ana.
Sir, who follow the sequence of voting? Because the voter register mu a enye no number 1 and obedi ka beto number.
Okay.
So be anipa ne kra will be number 50 and now 180 and now 500. No aba. Oba obeti the first ballot paper man.
No question.
Enti no say also we no be track here, you may get it wrong. Na emom no I was say yes set example. Ye chinipa ba ku mienu a I was say do mu fa mra kwan so say na be ye twa ma so a I think people will learn from that. Na man for guy sa anamontu ni adwempo bi e we tire say kakwa beji sika ana twabidi adanse say ampa wato abana ma me. Until the person we investigate dia e be den.
Yo na ye radio bi o ye hu se ya ye bi te say ya waso west ane ade na enuane che bi kura ne ade akoso awo honom no we no ye betumi aka ne se enhye bi ankoyie wo baabi ana ama ya ho kwan se se enuane ne nkoso ana na wo se esie na esie
When you say and I blame the security services na omugina wono. And in fact because when omu ginia man aduane no omu so me asrafo you prison officers are omu di like so omu aduane and it's bad. So the baby I do no man baby I do at the level of security operatives what to aba no people no aduane edi you depends in politics and yanka say abrabo mu nsem to the extent say obi to me against me mo aduane a wo meto ama me. If you are ni bo be dey to the extent say who to me to this will be a palm or they induce you. Then never inform me any parliamentary candidate say voters are on back to abano me come o me duane. Who dey duane call polling station. Who dey come polling agents and electoral officers. But we go back to na abano so we be fufu na mpese bi anso na ofifi a unim. And I was shocked they were receiving it. You receive food from a stranger. And let's know what you do as a nation. And it also shows that you're security conscious. Because me delay ni muna do because me pamo. Because me ni baby aduane ni fi. Me so say baby aduane. Aduane na ode ba no say unim say me pay brodu ane ana me pay brodu ane. Unim say me pay omo ana me pay omo. O dey why your package na ode bring me. And unfortunately, you saw security operatives who to be security conscious enough. Also mo titire dey afọ mu no. Enye bebia na yetu aduane enye bebia na yeje aduane no omumum no omoji and they were laughing, they were excited about it. It shows you the mindset of some of the people in uniform.
Yo na ye royen help ye radio akaba se enano enan na ye kwa kwoto ababra na so awia ne sa ye kwa ye nimu no de na wo se ye ensesan ba na wo se ba na ne kire ye adase ne be ya aboto da ne duru a oman no enuwa nkwa achewache o.
The better you say at least special voting amani ama baku menu bi adadi. Immediately I was say easy. And a police Mayoko IGP. Omuye joint press conference. Now woman tighten the laws around elections, no. Omu campaign say who mean the chemi bia voting center bia. Ebianio, untio. It's not your responsibility. So Obama voters ebiani announce you. No more than check it is a more funny phone. A phone booth on voting center on Uncle traffic here. And that's what over 2,000 amount. I think I think so we should do that. Latest by Thursday. Oh, be answering one say, Ansana. I mean, that was so not that was
Obayeka se do wase anobreno adaji afisha pa bi wonsu.
I think about you here.
You amen. I was aware sabute abas no panyika sei eba ne bambo mu a wabere mu ne yete se wo kyerkyere mu na wo kyerɛ se nyameenom no kwasɛm ni enuoma anhyada nkoyie kurasa bambofo binom ne semtwerɛfo binom anu adom kɔto waba no wɔn mu twitwa mfonyini wei ade ebeto social media no eso yɛtoa ansam no aso kane mampanye ye John Dramani Mahama bapɛyɛ ka se wo asante mantemu a wo bontoa na makomako ensia ya yɛhwɛ ni mu sɛ nyame yɛ adomu a yɛwɔ de ni mu yi na ne nto abɔ no nyinaa no wɔde baba na wie yɛ ɛwɔ asante mantamu ɛnɛ kora yɛkasɛ manhyia fikɛseɛ mu ɛhɔ no waduru ya papa yi wakɔ yɛwura na so na wakɔ akɔgye ne nsɛm nhyira ne nsɛm adom ne mɔborɔ ho ahodoɔ sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ asante man ade hyɛ betumi agyina soɔ na wɔdoma to ɔbade ama ne mpere no so ama na bɛtena akonnwa soɔ na ɛberɛ a yɛwura yi na wɔne na mu ansana wakɔ akɔduru manhyia fikɛseɛ mu no Dr. anase yɛwura John Dramani Mahama ade to dwa ɛwɔ bosomtwe abatoɔ mpɛsoɔ so ɛkyerɛ mu sɛ nyame no nokwasɛm ni ɛnneɛma bi yɛ ne ya paa sɛ mampanyin na danko akufo ado ɛna bɛde akyerɛ wɔn abɛtena akonnwa so mfinhyia nwɔtwe na sɛ wo aba yaresabea da so tintim hɔ kyɛ sɛ wɔn nyɛ wɔn adwene koraa sɛ wɔn ba bɛwie na nkamfa sɛ adɔkotafoɔ ne anɛsefoɔ akɔm akɔyɛ adwuma wɔse wɔn no nyinaa kyerɛ abanbɔne a ɛte soɔ ɛne amamuo bɔne a ɛkɔ so wɔ magana mu a ɛwɔ safi ɛnsesaeɛ ɛba yamamuo mu.
Welcome by four qualifiers no. Maybe a welcome to you go bio. Manano. Em say yena na kase. Otu mu say arewa kanu. Na meso no kreni arewa kame. Ebi say sesi ana me fi etwan we biaja eba na nesi wo ha eno a nesi wo ho abra apese obroni ehwe so Ghana ha osi military hospital ba ko pe e wo Ghana ha nyina na ade a efa military hospital no say eto de bia the doctor ni a nurse for no I wo afan hospital no eto de bia sika 70 ana bibi na omako oye kire ana so mbeka so mo de omnyoma eto ho omo ja eduma na se ba na sa the main in a police hospital the military hospital and a jig ni pankwa if it's almost there almost strike that it's the NDC arguing say they will say in military hospitals to become home Senebeya a by hospital cost striker Nipa and Omonkwa. Enti decided say Ashanti Maimu the military hospital back Beba Besiha. Enti started say Yesi Wafari. Nana ya been said, say we are not near Costrim ho baby, near Cosi Baconso. Now Remosam said hospital DSC almost 90-something% complete. Air conditioners, BPR, a Chester, a dear hospital, added the containers more ACC. My name's are Pro Service, a Bayo.
I was aware I can't remember John Dramani Mahama, no, what you know, and now what Nanicha Moore and Passaso. Ya wade kwato dwa atwera sa warma kwan yo monam so ne nyame anim ne nyakra mfuturo nkwa na so nti wo ba obere sa warma kwan obesiesia ma wo
ya to ama afi na ode efidia be bu kwan so sa wo be anya no kre NDC ene be ba so sa akwan mu na ya ye na esiesia akwan na mamu nsa mo ha ekwan ye nyamu pa eyo so ekọ ase okwan no NDC na beba be sa akwa na mamu na mo mato afeni omo kampe atosio enti ne aka se omo ko a omo huna Ghana fo enti ba ko mo se ro moto ma NDC a omo ba free SHS no o be yefno enya no kreda NDC mom na beba be shemo kina ne aye ni yie se na be ya faso a wasi ye free mo no ye benya double track no be yefri ho Sena yamba eco school na watching na number itself here go some me room be some me sir yamba ebesi sena be ya home na be go school prekope yamba kwa ya no na ba matese mo ha ne omo na ba omoka ene se omo do e wo forest chen and this ba yamba ba be pam enye no freda omuka se yento abama mu na omo se Ghana yede nti omo de omo ba omo betiti bibia so se de be ya ye mo betoye enso afi na bibia ebo koso aduane boayɛ den cement boayɛ den light boayɛ den petrol boayɛ den fertilizer boayɛ den bibia boayɛ den enti ne ɔmo kaeɛ no ɔmo atumi andi so enti akansɔhwɛ na ɔmo kyerɛ a Ghanafoɔ ɛna yɛ tikyafoɔ a yɛmaake ɔmo.
I was aware ya can man Panyera John Dramani Mahama and watching no Ghana this year. One so one passasso and so I can search us a woman quite a yammy and quite you cry.
So I get 12 dear on program your Moquano network. Some of Wamana Banam Yaquani network more dear. Omni Club. I'm over Saturday Friday, I'm la Mensia. Dotiem Atianse, a Siako, one Samile, and on the last. It's almost how I'm on the network. On problem at this year. Woman, better, yes, so. If you have a break, if you have a break, you're quite more back when put on a work roomina. Woman to be on your shade. You will MP, I am a protocol. You're better, Mohamono. Yeah, police ni, yeah, soldier ni, yeah, dear. Yawura Mahama ene ne ba Abubakar Sadiq ekwambia nyakopon pagya no wo maye na yanto so no wo maye ye kwan efiri mpasa so ana efiri do me abra ekosi asu akọ enyenyenyenyenyenyenyenye MP no ono so ye MPP ni no sese no wo ba no ba wo me ba no mankraso kunsu yaguso kota efiri hiamfise say yes be o papa gina na ne bagina e dey say your mama ko na say Abubakar ko say dey be
so Ghana de shebi no ma wonom awa hafo no south ani ade ne yete wo mon kan na kana ma Panyera John Dramani Mahama wie wa mananso ha o wona no chemu wo Secretary East afigya kwabre south afigya kwabre north ni suta na hon so wo kosa na ewo no de kwato dwa a kire se hwe NPP for kra na wo mapa ba o awo Panyera adonsa no na wo mu akasa binum atwefo de afra no ya wo mu sere ne papa na chew se wo mu sere ada afi we nku ado mra matena konwa so no mra matoto ne amasansa ban bone ya ekum wo ne kwankwam wo no ano aya yedin na wo no ye John Dramani Mahama koye dodo nyina agenti ne kwanse na mpo bia wo beje obi awa wa tu no asere se MPP fo no mo nyina mo so muntintim ma no 100% na fi wo matena konwa so
Pako, ebi wa NDC, ebi wa MPP, ebi o CPP. Nti yen na yenim se ye wonamfo a omo wo amanyoko a enye ye dia ebi a MPP ana CPP. Me MPP for bebre ye me namfofo. Na nokre akokom ombeka kirew a omo ka kire me. Ene se omo beje itu me no. Nya na omo dwen se omo aban be ye no. Nti mi anye. Nti bebre abamabu na emrepi no bebre ba me ho me ni omumu bi na ewo parliament ebi nso ye me namfofo ani ewo school na omo ba ensema omo ka kire me ne se John yere wo ho na dinkunim na ye party no ye fanko opposition na nipa kakra omo agi ya party na aboso no yetimi agi ye party no asensi ho ntimi nim se abato a ye beto na wotwe a ebei MPP for bebre wo ho a kokoamu ombeto ama NDC.
I was your way John Dramani Mahama no achi no ano baba kyerɛ sɛ abai batena akonya so one to ton your may enti ekatwetwere die ne bosia won kokɔbɔyɛ 11.5 billion US dollars. One man to me afanya hwe emfinhia nwɔtwe sika no nyina hye kwa ama Ghana sabosia ye baba betuaka we yakwa menkroma suapo ni mu na ye John Dramani Mahama okɔgyina ye a wɔde nsɛm yi ekotu dwa
5 years within 5 years obobosia $11.5 billion. Na me ka say 4 years am tena abemu enoma ye nyina habo foforo airport foforo na say nyuma ye nyina bosia boy 3.5 billion. Enti me say anka me na minya 11.5 billion anka Ghana better than Dubai.
anka wono na Kenya 11.5 billion ka Ghana ebada ni Dubai pa anyasem getwama ana ebi mwanya omotete ho sa no wari aya kane mampanyi yewra John Dramani Mahama 21st clinic na ya kan fodiama wo sekwai na dokotafo enhwawa he na wo Kumase hwaso obekwa show overseas junction wo ben Alpha Radio Wabwase Cancer Quarters Accra Dobe Market Sunyana Nkranza Tachiman aya 21st so adokotafo no aben wonim diema papa se obeboa wo ama ho atowo abutua kwai na wonom enhwo ya homa no 0540 311311 0540 311311 Sompa chade ye kanfo dia ma obibia da ye se de wo donsem na ode emma abusuade na wo ayemo entade na bibibia da ye bagene ada wasiye papa hwese wo bekọ Sompa Nkranza Ghana Commercial Bank dan ni mu no abusua okọ no mu a obehu ye sunya no so ye wo night market na fe Kumase ye ban Rome Hotel edin no mobile money number no aya 0598 559802 0598 559802 Dino aya 1 media nasa Blessed Foster Mizo ana 5G so yedamwase ehon overseas junction okwan mo anedodo mu obenya bi ne watu papa anya asem geto ma eboa ne padua ne siesie ne padua ne ma ho ye fe esan so aya kono cloud internet ye kan fo dia mo bibia CCTV camera digital security logs web posting bibiata afa no internet won sansam no cloud eboa na wo ho atumi ato top high one love FM division mu 0202 699-110 0202-699-110 Canada na US UK Holland Australia New Zealand na opese okwa express group ye di obetu kwan Kumase Asafule Baranabout Accra Kaneshi First Light 0249 000448 through Haba Santanie Koko masete duro tatahwe sisiade koko ayem tim etwase de afiriwa ma hoto 0546 107 107 0546 107 107 awushaya dan hone abane ba Ghana Drunkers Association woman de krata piedwa ade ama won mo customers na yebebom na ye kirekire mu pi no ade ntia sakratai omodi aba
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu wo je ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa Wamuji international awards ahodo wamuji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wamu be the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim hano ebi ni baby a gise 21st clinic nkwa wamu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ni hypertension ni ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mo ho 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na 21st clinic wo mo ye sciatica expert.
Introducing Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink, a whole new refreshment in a can. Mixer 5G is a tasty non-alcoholic drink. It is a perfect companion for all your events, including parties, weddings, and funerals. It is made with green tea, ginseng, guarana, grapes, and grapefruit. Get refreshed with Mixer 5G Sparkling Drink. For bulk purchases, contact 0246 270 221. This advert is FDA approved.
Brakasa ye duabon waso a ne dwumedi wo nipadua biara pomden ene na brabo mu ne hienyi pa enye prekasa nko nuaban ne ahaban bi te se ko nsusu a abonwono ne dia akeka ho no kura enwanunu ahodo a ekọ animu yi ankasa brakasa ne sa nuaban bi nom ne akeka bobudi afa abefo kwan so a ye dia ye prekasa powder siesi nipadua na ba akwa ahodo no ho ban afri mpani yade ne yade ahodo pi ho fa enkodate de ma ba akọ freduane anopa ne anwumre anafa enkodate de ma ba akọ ɛwo ne nsuhye yetin anopa ne anwumre wobra wodidi awie wobenya preke powder to Kingswalk Herbal ne Heroes Herbal Accra Okechi Drug Lane Dani Herbal Kumasi Mensa Takrade Mose Pharmacy ne Greenlight Pharmacy Sunwane Cash and Carry Supermarket Asantwa Herbal near Bibidro Depot Techiman Sewa Herbal Mampong Etufo mfre 0550 19 15 14 Preke powder aduane san yedru FD ahwehwe sankra to mu agi atum
Hey sewa me hu acho me na no me bisa ekra so kwa brochi
Kwaku, afeina mebeko. Menkrata krani.
Hey, ene me ma connection man for den kofo sika aduane ne wanya otwedi musa no.
Oh, Express Group adarmenti akwentu ayefo. Opese otu kwan kosua dia. Express Group do beka mind bi to say Canada, US, Australia, UK, and Germany. Say to anase visiting so a Express Group do beka Dubai, Canada, US, Australia, and Germany. Mo amopese motu kwan koye adwuma nso obetime de wako Dubai, Qatar, anase South Korea. If you also want to take international tests like SAT, IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, GMAT, they can help you pass easily. They can also help you secure a good job in the UK. You should make sure you Kumasi Asafule Roundabout Accra so Omo Carnation First Light, Tema Omo Community 18 Lashabi Girl Filling Station. From Omo Ahumad for ISO 055-555-0067 and 0249-000448.
Here in Ghana, when it comes to chicken, the good old days are back. Why? Because Boris B's Chicken, BBC, is here. Yep, give your family and loved ones Boris B's Chicken. Fresh, tasty, delicious. Boris B's Chicken is produced right here in Ghana by our cherished poultry farmers with support from the Ministry of Agric. Get whole frozen chicken, gizzard, chicken feet, chicken neck, and chicken liver for those special family meals, buffets, picnics, funerals, and all restaurants. Get Boris B's Chicken. It's halal, so everybody can enjoy. Wherever you are, call Boris B's Farms hotline 05-444-444-53. Ask for our branch that is closest to you and come get your chicken. Boris B's Chicken, BBC, proudly a Fiakoko.
Na ede na ya obayi a oda forma so ne yafunu mu emunumuni.
Oh Mr. Entry also yare ya titi bi ben fie pi nanso ne yam nnyo no da se me kire onu ahodo amato a me hunu hwe ya ebe ya nwanwa
Minyi ni se what ulcer tamfo Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture yanum bom kutia ulcer no bia ma no anom anka ne ho ato no dadaada ulcer dro de eno ne Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture
ankom ni nkyeremu
ulcer yekura eto yefunu ene ensunu mu etuma wo yefunu ekekawa wogire ho a enye ulcer etumi ema wo ye cheko ebra wadidi awie so how eye ulcer de a compare Haxa capsules any Haxa mixture nanum bom na ho ebeto
pedudura to a ko Okanshi Drug Lane Kumasi Dani Herbal Takrade Mensa Anafre 02038228855 Apefo abatan a woma won mofra no fo ene mofra woni mfiedu mienu enka ho Haxa capsules ene ne mixture
ulcer tamfo edie age adwadie nkratoyi yi atom
Sompa TV, Emma Aketiapa.
Abusia Emma Aketiapa Empire to and seven so na Haxa Mesha and Haxa capsules ye can for the Amobibia. I also time for papa. I wish also ya the bonio. Ya dear eba na eba beboa utia nye ya just aduane to yamu abuai. Aduane antomu abuai. What one na hochero. What your baby ya enye. I was young once a quiet, no to Haxa Mesha and Haxa capsules. And do papa in your satan for a bit was here. If you're now watching me, no kind of bosom of Shobacra, Wabra and Sanso Amabium. Was so not ye, and now boy or churchiwana. I will be so no more. I was young. Just a Nakuma, I say a body periperi, and what did you and Hocherno? Nina no Haxa Mesha and Haxa capsules, Ebabuao. Was a shedin and suya papa. HACCER eno ay haxa no na the capsules ne mixture no atoa so we FDA one magia tum nemom hye so en se wo ba wa fa fro de wa ma akoda no fo ani akoda wonyanya mfinhia no dumienu no wonso wonka ho wokọ pharmaceutical shops ahodo mu a wonsa beka bi Okashi drug lane ene ya ahodo telephone 0240 238310 0240 238310 and 0203 822855 0203 822855 I was sorry to and some no so na Kind Heart Organization ayadwumako ba kwa one man shaban ase na so brano bia no wafato won so so obaye enwisi akonafo mobro wa woni bie enyanka ane one man muda a prison wo munyina doye na aso obi bia da so na afidie so keka won sase no nyame no kwasem ni wo ma ye de obenya bi da won ma ya mana ye fepa won ma dom aboa ama chase emia ya hodo bia Eya rehabilitation center sana one ma kwakọ ho awa santementem kropo kumase ade nuane ne ano de akwakoche na ebra wokọ ya na wode sa achade yi ama no na rima Ghana panyi kwantrofo ya wada no ye Samuel asare wono so agina sempie so kasa ye ema oda asese nyame anim ni de mpanyfo ye no aso wo mani ye papa
Prime Samuel asare ama no rima Ghana children's home no office as secretary, but we magana yeah, leda kuna ase CRU Kind Heart Association for Damasi. Say na kopon unsham na onye makoma so adini na yin obi an ebesi mama yin so inde pa no say afiku yi ya yi di ma mi ni papa ni en so yan kai ebe da din kakra ma yi say Christmas ni say ni bi di no so ma ba mama wo papa yesu ni na amaye nti yesi nya kopon unsham na onye makoma so adini na mamu na dia modi amaye na kopon no hye anan pi e mamu na onye mukesi onye makoma so adini na omema mu hia so da ni bi se din na so no bi kuku ni ma obeya mamu yen hye din tabo we kan mu kisi akopon
Anochino director the Kind Heart Organization Yera Siu Michael one so akasai.
Okay, Kind Heart Organization we just actually established it this year in June. We just get it on like November. It's November, right? So our aim is to have more the orphanage that in Ghana, especially in Ghana here. But that's why the support of the local people is really help us. Because without them support us, we are limited to help people. Maybe in 1 month we only can go to one orphanage every month. And maybe if the local people can help us more, maybe in 1 month we can go to 2 or 3 orphanages in 1 month. So in the future I really hope.
Anochino secretary the Kind Heart Organization Yera Sarah Sopoku one sort kakra etwaso.
Ye team for a boss. And I'm saying, Kind Heart, Chief Kind Heart, the Sanintino, ye one in your Sanintino, and I'm a young team for more orphanage. And can tell you every month be a bit more for your bed here and answer for orphanage. Because you ask my dear age, a ma or mine is actually a see your book say every month be a boa orphanage here with me say at least kakra bejeji go so many yes you bit me a toy be anya ma enkwa no mo ho no mo sa akomo no see your book here pa ai kumedi ai didi okay yeah kakra bit me aka so see here on mo here because foreigners no na boa ye mo if I say Ghana for mu kitu ti kanya Ghana for betimi support here betimi am yetimi aboa mo orphanage of Masi ha ke beboa pa.
I was your warrior secretary the Kind Heart Organization or Cyrus opoku yenyina wesu na yemfansam no ensi asida kwadia ma akosia somu akuku Veronica Jando ya Grace Buzi the caption man Rasanti Abua Benedict Happy Priscilla and Reverend Michael da munyina wasada mwase menso ambatena sia mekenkan sami de ma wo no medin ane akosia aje wa kwadia boaten ye sorso na yakona sompa nkomo abetoaso